On Make It Bake It today, we are going to make fresh, gluten-free pasta. So, let's get to it. As always, you can find this recipe along with all of our recipes on MakeItBakeItShow.com. In the bowl of your food processor, add the brown rice flour, tapioca flour, cellulose, psyllium husk, and salt. Then pulse it to combine. Crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Add those eggs along with the olive oil to your food processor and process it just until the dough starts to form into a ball. Sprinkle a little brown rice flour on your work surface. Turn your dough out onto that flour. Knead the dough for about a minute or until that dough forms into one cohesive ball. Then roll that into a log shape. Wrap the dough in some plastic wrap and set it aside for 30 minutes. Divide the dough into 8 equal parts. Take one out, put the other 7 aside, keeping them wrapped in plastic wrap. We're going to work with one piece at a time. Flatten your piece of dough into a rectangle shape. Then you're going to run it through your pasta machine at the lowest setting. It should be the widest setting. Fold the dough back onto itself into a rectangle shape. Then run that back through the widest setting on your pasta machine. You're probably going to need to do this on the widest setting for at least 3 or 4 times. Turn your pasta machine to the next level and continue running your dough in the same manner. The dough will eventually get too long. You'll need to cut it in half so it's easier to work with. Continue running the dough, increasing the levels on the pasta machine until you can see your fingers through the dough. With your sheets of pasta, you can cut them into any shape you'd like. Here we're going to attach a pasta cutter and make a fettuccine shape. And that's it. You've made fresh gluten-free pasta. We really hope you liked today's episode. If you do, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time for something good. Ciao!